What is up, everybody? Boost on GB here, coming at you, and we got the transmission out of the Impalar, and it's that doesn't look too bad so far, but yeah, we'll show you the converter. So here it is, and I doubt you can see in there. Try and get some light on it, maybe, but really hard to see. Maybe you might be able to see. It's all gouged up on that one side on the left there. That doesn't look too healthy. And yeah, so show you wherever it is on the other side. And there's shit rattling around in there too. Where is it? I actually lost it. Right here. Yep, there's that crack that I showed on the post earlier. That's a pretty good one. And I'm not sure if it goes around the weld or not. It looks like it stops about here, but that's insane how that just blew out like that. Never seen that in my life. Never experienced it in my life. So we're gonna get the angle grinder and trim it up. Let's see what we got looking at inside. And it's a TCI converter, 240, 900, and I'll show you. Bam. So, pretty cheap, and it's literally a stock converter. It's literally a stock converter. Crazy shit. So, I suppose if you want to know the limit of a stock converter or a slightly off-stock converter, it's about that. We got this deal here, and what the hell is even that? There's some shit in that. Huh, that came from the converter. Ooh, there's more junk. This thing looks crushed. It's like flattened on the one side. Look at that. Got a nice flat mark. Interesting. There's bits and pieces. This might be a pretty good show. So let me get the extension cord and hack this thing open. Jesus Christ, that was a little bit. I didn't exactly know how to do this, so we actually got it. And I'd imagine all that bent shit in there isn't from the grinder. Some of those outer ones probably, because I use this little thing to pry. But it looks like that's missing parts. Yep, it's all shattered. This is all grinding from the grinder. This isn't, I'm gonna guess this is all from the grinder just now. This looks fine. That looks all gouged up. That doesn't look like that should be like that. And I'm pretty sure you could take this out. If I cut this more, I could probably take this, but you can see all those little pins and shit. This thing is fucked. Oh yeah. Junk. Anyway, so that's what one of those looks like inside. That's pretty neat. And yeah. Junk. So, obviously it's never going to be fine ever again. But I don't really care because we're getting bigger shit. Because I don't want that to happen again. So, leave a like if you were interested in what the hell is going on in here. And you'll see some more sometime. And like I said, get ready for the next project. And in fact, here's a little sneak peeker.